Are you tired of rewatching the same show over and over again? Bored of the endless scrolling and waiting for them to finally ease restrictions? Well, wait no more, because today I'm going to show you how you can have fun right now in quarantine. Quickly before we get into this video, let me know down below in the comments what you are doing in quarantine to stay entertained. And also make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Let's go. Deep clean and redecorate your room. If you watch inspo videos of other people's room makeovers and then create your own vision of what you want your room to look like, this can be such a fun process. I always start off with reorganizing my drawers because I feel like they get the most messy over time. Guys, if you make your bed, your room will instantly look cleaner and it makes you feel more productive throughout the day because you're getting something done. Now it's time to wipe everything down and redecorate. Also today my brother decided to paint his walls, so you guys can do this too. It can be so fun and you can get so creative with this. Oh my god, so this one is so fun and it takes a lot of time, so you can create a fun picnic. This is such a great way to spend quality time with your family during quarantine.
I wish I knew.
You could also use this idea as a birthday surprise for someone in your family who's celebrating their birthday in quarantine, and it also allows for amazing photos for your Instagram. And here are some of the ones that I got.
How far? I won't stop trying. Be right where you are.
Why did you guys get so many different types of grapes?
Dad did, but it's because it's really nice for photos. Naja, 2 girls said you're good looking in my recent video. What do you have to say to them?
Olivia?
No.
Yeah, no.
Ever since my sister and I came up with this idea, we have loved our workout sessions. Choose your favorite playlist, turn up the volume as loud as it goes, and let's go. Guys, working out can actually be so fun. In the moment, I love feeling that rush of energy. And then after the workout, that warm buzz that travels along my body, if you know what I mean. Oh my god, he's so cute! Oh my god! Guys, the next thing you can do is just plan anything really. This gives you something to look forward to after quarantine. And here are some ideas of what you could plan. You could plan future trips, after quarantine party, goals, what you're going to spend your time on in quarantine, the steps you're going to take to fulfill your goals, a to-do list. And you could also plan a workout routine for the remainder of quarantine. Make a pre-quarantine video to reminisce on the times before quarantine and also to get you excited for something afterwards. Download videos of your recent trips, adventures, and I think the thing we miss the most, being with our friends, so videos of all those fun times before quarantine. Then just edit them together. You don't need to know the ins and outs of editing, guys. This is very simple, and I'll link some videos down below on basic editing skills. So now, not only are you creating something to look back on, but also learning a new skill. And can I just say, you do not need a fancy editing software. There is iMovie out there, any video editing software that you can find on the App Store, and literally even TikTok. You can edit videos on TikTok, guys. Here is mine for a little inspiration before you go off and make your own.
Transform like the meat off the bone. We've been like this for most of our lives now. Be my aeroplane. Be my lost control. Be my doublemint. Be my empty bowl. Be my confident that you hear on the radio that you know. Here's our wasted life. I'm a blanket boy.
The next thing you can do is create new outfits. We all have those clothes in the back of our wardrobes that we haven't worn in years, so take some time to go through them and create new outfits either for quarantine or for after quarantine.
Somewhere unseen, it got a little longer, so it seems.
Oh, look at my socks.
Now come a little closer. I feel a little light in the light track. I felt a bit of bad, but I came back. There's still a little light in the light track.
Having a bonfire, like the picnic, again, is a great way to spend time with your family. You can play some chill guitar music, and we didn't have any, but you could roast some marshmallows. That could be so fun. And if you live alone, you can do this too. Why not? Who cares? Have a bonfire by yourself and even FaceTime a friend while you're doing it. Do it together.
From the charred ground, shoot up and bud. The winter wild has blown away, my shelter torn apart. The seeds of joy in storms and...
Okay, so we're going back to our childhood and we're going to chalk the driveway. Honestly, this is fun if you're 5 years old or 17 years old. Use the skills you've accumulated over the years in your art classes and try to be a little creative and just have fun with it. My dad drew this one and this one is mine. We're gonna go take a trip down memory lane because another thing you could do is look back on your photo albums from when you were a child. This can be so fun and see how you've changed over the years. Here is Baby Massacre, guys, if you are interested. And when I was like 6 years old. Something I believe is so important to do, especially now, is to take time out for yourself. Have a pamper night, put a face mask on, light a candle, make some tea, and do something that brings you joy. Whether it is watching your show over and over again or scrolling through your phone on social media to connect with your friends. You deserve this time whether or not you have been productive. It's so important to remember that this situation is way out of the ordinary and you are doing so well, whether you are getting work done or whether you're not getting work done. But with that being said, if you do want to develop a routine in quarantine, here's a video you can check out that I made on my online school quarantine routine. Get some inspiration from it and create your own one from it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!